So I would like to welcome all of you to the third Surface webinar. I'm Paula Iacomussi, the coordinator of Surface NPR project. Surface is a Euramet-funded research project. Euramet is the Association of National Metrological Institute of Europe. And in this project, several National Metrological Research Institutes are involved, as well several research institutes of different countries and unfunded commercial companies are involved too. And our scope is to provide the metrological support to the knowledge of road surface metrology, and so the so-called R-table characterization, providing new data, new reference data to CIE and as well to SEN of actual road surfaces, and as well our task is to support the metrological research, providing also new geometry of measurement more suitable for the different application. And by application we mean condition of road user. It means pedestrian, drivers in city, in town, or drivers in large area between the cities, so the so-called interurban roads. And we are also providing new input to new measurement device and supporting the calibration of this device. Today we will talk about our stakeholder experience. Our first speaker is Michael Lindgren of the Swedish National Metrological Institute that will introduce the contribution of our two main collaborators in our project. The webinar will be fully recorded and we will put available the video and as well the presentation on the Surface website. Just after this webinar, so at 11, the CIE TC 450 meeting will start. All of you are welcome to stay with us also during the TC meeting, because the main task of Surface is to provide all the research results to CIE TC 450 in order to revise the publication CIE 144 about road surface characterization. So, welcome again, and I leave the camera to Michael.
Thank you, Paula. I hope you can also see the webinar outline for today. Paula has done the introduction of the Surface project. We have two talks. The first one by Mr. Corell from Denmark, and the second one from our Japanese collaborators. I see in the that we don't have any participants from Japan logged in yet. So we hope that they will show up. So in the Surface project, we have a number of collaborators. This is people who have expressed interest to contribute to the Surface project. IFSTAR is in France, Toscano Lighting of Italy. We have two from Japan. One of them we will hear from today in collaboration with Panasonic as well. And also one collaborator in the US. In the Surface project, we also have a large number of stakeholders, something like 23, 24 altogether. This is a mix of the transport authorities in the Nordic countries and as well from France and Italy, some ministry and equal organizations, and as well some institutions doing research on road photometry. So I think we get started with the presentation from Mr. Corell. This will be given directly. The presentation from Japan has been pre-recorded, so